Geminye bona ndohio ikuiyurite mathukuru-ini matiganite bururi-ini magikungwira arutwo aria mekite wega kigeranio-ini gia KCPE. Kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga, Eugene Buru wa Mwangi wa thukuru wa Effort Junior ari murutwo uria wikite wega kaunti-ini iyo na marks 486.
I may have not achieved my index number in all those exams, but I still did not give up. My teachers were there, they helped me, working hard, tirelessly. It takes a lot from you.
Kaunti-ini ya Murang'a, thukuru-ini wa technology, Vithuramji na Bishop Palo ni mathukuru maria mari na arutwo amwe aria mekite wega makiria kaunti-ini ino.
Aciari akwa na arimu akwa ni mandithite gukinya haha, riu ndenda kwira Ngai ni wega. Ndenda guthii cukuru wa Kenya High School na ndakomenya ndenda gukorwo ndagitari wa ngoro.
Akamuthiru ciana cia mbere ciari anakere mari na 420, so no tuge mwaka uyu twi iguru muno ni undu wa marks 430, so many of them 420, so many of them.
Maundu makuhanaga uguo thukuru-ini wa St Peter's Elite mwena wa Gilgil uria urarutire murutwo wa mbere kaunti-ini ya Naikuru. Gathoni wa Macharia ari na marks 447 aumetwo thutha ni Caroline Muthoni na marks 444.
Sharon is quite hardworking and obedient at home. Na tukena muno ria twinake na ni mundu wenda kumenya maundu maingi.
Last year we read in Nakuru County. We are also happy. This year we are top of all the schools in this county.
Makiria maruto 18 thukuru-ini wa Pleasant View Githunguri matongoretio ni James Buru moima na marks makiria ya 400. Naguo thukuru wa Githunguri Township arutwo 40 onao mari na marks makiria wa 400.
Of hard work and because of the support from the parents and the teachers, and above all the Almighty God helped me.
It's them not to give up no matter how many times you fail, because I've also failed very many times. I've gotten marks I never even imagined that I will get, but you just fight on, believe in yourself, believe in God, pray and trust in Him because He will never let you down.
Thukuru wa utafiti o kaunti-ini ya Kiambu murutwo uria ugwikite wega muno ni Fiona Wangeshi na marks 485.
I like first to be a lawyer, then afterwards I become a judge, chief judge in Kenya.
This particular year, we had quite a big number of candidates. There were 131. Na ni ciana irari njega muno tondu we expect a difference from the other years.
Minister wa Githomo Fred Matiang'i ni akorirwo akiuga ati ciana nyingi ni irekire wega makiria kigeranio-ini giki. Undu uyu riu utumite aciari aingi matigwo magikungwira uhotani wa ciana ciao. Ngiribotera Inooro TV de kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Macharia.